Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Golden's RV's video showcase. Today I'm going to walk you through our 2003 Forest River Georgetown. This is a 35-foot coach with 2 slides and it is fully equipped. Has the V10 motor, and we will walk around and I'll go through all the compartments and some of the features. As you notice on the driver's side does have a door. Slide number 1 is large living room slide. Does have the awning up above. Nice privacy glass for the windows. Go through all the compartments here. Compartment number 1. As you can see, pretty deep, and it is a pass-through. Compartment number 2. All your controls and everything there. Compartment number 3. This too, I don't know if you can see back. This is not a pass-through, but it does go probably to the middle of the coach, all the way back there. This door here. Coach does have the Ottoman Marquee Gold 5500 generator. Tires are all in pretty good shape. You can see the graphics as well, all in pretty good shape. And as we continue, open this compartment here. It's like the operating center of the coach. You can see everything is mapped out as to where the hoses go for hot water and cold water. The bathroom, the kitchen, everything. Your city water connection, your sewer flusher, holding tank, outside shower. Also, when you fill this coach up, if regular water is not good enough, there you go. Water filtration system. You can drink fancy water while you're out on the road. This compartment here, a lot of storage, pass through all the way. Last compartment contains the power cord. This coach is wired for 50 amp power. Step back and show you full view of the rear. See a large window in the back, that's the bedroom. Rear vision camera. Nice aluminum ladder all the way to the roof. Molded bumpers. You have a trailer tow package. The passenger side of the coach here. There's slide number 2, that is the master bedroom. It too does have the awning up above the slide to protect it from the elements. We'll go through the compartments here. First compartment. That's not a pass-through, but once again it goes all the way to about the middle of the coach. This is the other side of that pass-through. This coach just has a ton of storage. And the storage is not only on the outside, but it's on the inside. As we go through the inside, I'll show you all the storage on the inside. Another storage compartment there. Goes to about the middle of the coach. Nice large LP tank, so for any extended stays you have plenty of propane. And this too is another pass-through storage area. And I'll step back and let you take a look at the passenger side. So you have a nice large full-size awning. All the graphics are in pretty good shape. This unit does have 2 air conditioning units. As we walk inside, first thing you'll notice is the large living room slide, but we'll start at the front of the coach and work our way on back. As you look on the driver's compartment, nice comfortable seat. You have your leveling jack controls. You have your cruise controls on the steering wheel. This coach, let me get in close and show you, only has 27,103 miles. As you look in more of the controls here, rear vision monitor, automatic with overdrive. You have your reading lamp controls, your radio controls, your driver and passenger fans, your generator start. I don't know if you can see that, folks, but the generator only has 223 miles. Power mirrors, heating and air conditioning controls, AM, FM, CD. Same nice comfortable seat for the passenger. Good size armrests. Plenty of storage up above. Your color television. More storage. Your slide control for that main slide is right there above the driver's door. What I'll do is look at the slide. Let me back up here. Large living room slide. You do have a sleeper sofa, a nice dinette, a ton of storage up above the dinette and the sleeper sofa. As you look to the back, plenty of storage here. More storage underneath the dinette. To round out the kitchen, you have some nice pull-out drawers there. Let you take another look here. Right next to the coach door, you'll see a leather recliner, swivel rocker with Ottoman. This is a residential quality chair. Plenty of storage up above. Nice little workstation there. As we step back to the rear, you notice the galley, fully equipped. You have your Arctic pack controls there. Water heater controls. Everything is in the corner. Nice double sink with wash. Plenty of storage up above. Magic Chef microwave. Magic Chef 3-burner stove and oven. Even more storage down below. Your Americana Double Door Refrigerator. And a huge pantry. And 4 drawers down below. So just like I said, outside this thing just has a ton of storage. As we go to the rear of the coach, start opening the closet doors here. Plenty of storage above. The cabinet down below can be used for storage, or if you so choose, you do have washer and dryer hookups here. little farther back, nice little wardrobe closet. And I'll back up here. If you look into the bathroom, notice the skylight, folding glass door for the shower. That's a nice touch. As we go to the side here, nice double door medicine cabinet. Some shelving there. Nice mirror. And your stool down below. So the bathroom is real roomy. As we go to the rear of the coach, the second slide is the master suite. Once again, tons of storage up above. Walk around queen bed. Day-night shades throughout. As you look here, wall opposite the slide is nothing but closets, drawers, and storage. So if you're going on a long trip, you have plenty of storage in this coach that will make your trip more pleasurable. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call at Golden's RV. Our phone number is 719-448-0200, or visit us on the web at goldensrv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.